nongialam kaseng BJP ubaderu Menteri Sorkar kajilla uba AL Heg ulapan pau ya kajing skhem ba kaseng National People's Party NPP kanyo ya kajing job na Shillong kumju na po Tura parliamentary constituency. Habakran Shakilat pathai kubor uba Heg ulaong bakanik election Lok Sabha kabadang syudap ha Meghalaya kelasakhi ya kajingale hapadeng ke lightly ke party kata hapadeng ke NPP Congress bat ke Voice of the People Party VPP kat ki ba job kintam tang khendiat ke NPP kan job na baro arteli ke seat kata na po Shillong Tura parliamentary constituency laong uba Heg.
I have already witnessed so many Lok Sabha elections in my political career. This is the only first time that I have seen the election has become very hatred, become very hate speeches. One another political party, one another candidate, which I don't like happen in politics. As my personal assessment, I saw it as a very triangular fight between the NPP, the BJP and the Congress. Is a triangular fight this time, the election, because the election is over. So I have to give you the honest observations. So my honest observation is purely is a triangular fight. So this is all are equal. I cannot say whoever win also with a very thin margin. The BJP has given a very clear instructions, directions, and also the message to all the Meghalaya BJP Karyakatas to support the NPP, and accordingly we all the BJP also we have worked according to the message, the direction, instruction given by the center national leaders of the BJP to support the NPP. It could look like they're not convinced of own Karyakata. We had hold a meeting in my own constituency. I had hold 5 meetings in my mandal. In other constituency also, I saw every day, every mandal, the BJP is holding the party meeting. They go prachar for the people, Karyakata, to vote for NPP. How do you say that they are not convinced? We are fully convincing. I told you, but earlier also I told you we are confident. Now also I'm telling you we are confident. Since we are supporting NPP, NPP will win both the seats of Shillong and Tura.